been a minute, guys. Nosy 30, what's going on? Oh, guys, this charger. I think I should have uploaded this video by now, guys. They still haven't made up their mind whether they're gonna fix it or not. As you can see, the time, guys, watch that video where I actually did the diagnosis on that. Look at all the debris. Look at all the stuff the timing belt can accumulate when it breaks. Okay, now the deal with this was the pulley. Okay, the idler pulley, the timing belt idler pulley below, the bearings will come out of that and shatter, and that will in essence throw the car out of time, and you would get damage like this. Okay, but to say this car only like 118 maybe, to say that timing belt broke at 118,000 miles is not true. Okay, these belts been known to last up to 150. Now my recommendation for replacing it is right at 100,000. Okay, and I do this pulley every time I'm in here. This is a 3.5 V6 engine, guys. That pulley give out before anything else. I get a pulley every time. All right, so that's what's going on over here. I'm waiting on authorization. I'm actually losing money because this car is still in my stall. I can't simply drive it out. All right, this is a 07 Dodge Charger with a 3.5. All right, so moving around, let's go with it. Hey, my neighbor, what is my neighbor doing? Guys, I remember this head. I still ain't got around to it, but remember this, the head had a misfire in cylinder 2. This is cylinder 2. You can see the crack right here. I'm going to take my valve spring compressor. We're going to do a valve job. Now, there's no saving that valve, but I'm actually want to take the valve out, take a look at the seat. Because the problem with these, according to FCA or Chrysler, is the seats overheat. A lot of issues going on with the seat, and that is in what turns kills the valve and causes the misfire. So they extended the warranty on the earlier built. This is a Pentastar head. They extended the warranty on the earlier built 2011 through 2013 vehicles equipped with the Pentastar 3.6 liter engine. Now I always have to say this, guys, that warranty extension do not cover ticking noise. No, warranty is basically a result of some type of safety concern. Okay, there's nothing unsafe about your vehicle making a ticking noise. However, a misfire could be considered unsafe. Go figure. They both gonna have the ending result, same results. Well, one may be a little based off sound and the other based off feel. But if you misfiring heavily, yes, that is unsafe, guys. You can crash. All right. Now, as far as ticking, in their eyes, now I tend to disagree, but who am I? In their eyes, it's not a safety issue. So we're gonna take this valve out and take a look at that seat when I get some time. All right, my neighbor. What is my neighbor doing over here? Oh, he got heads off. This guy always doing engine work. He's a Hemi guru. All right. Why? I don't know. When he drove this car in, it sounded perfect to me. I didn't hear no ticking noise. In fact, I wouldn't suspect he chasing a ticker because he didn't pull the lifters. He didn't pull not one lifter. He just pulled the head. I don't know. It could be something simple like an oil leak. I don't know. Hey, but what I do notice, whoa, y'all see this? Ooh. Oh, the studs stay in, I guess. Interesting. All right, guys, these happen to be one of the easiest engines. If these are not hard to get to from a physical standpoint, this is the easiest engine you ever can want to work on. But I do not know what he's doing. It's not a ticker. Something on the right side, cylinder head. So who knows? He's always up to something. The Hemi guru. All right, guys, let's go. What's going on over here? Hey, Pentastar. Hey, go figure. No engine work. Yes, one for us. I see an AC cap missing. That means, I see an AC machine over here. Y'all know what that means. AC work. Inside or outside? Might be inside. Oh, no, this is the one, the evaporator. Oh, guys, let's go to the real. Let me show y'all something. I don't know if you guys. Yes, now it's making sense. I remember because he come over here and asked me. No AC. The reason why, low on Freon. When you're low on Freon, you would get no cold AC. Now, at that point, you need to find out why you're low on Freon. All right. One could say a leak. Yes. So what we do, we may inject some AC system dye in your AC system. That would help us find the leak. That dye is designed to circulate throughout your AC system and stick to the leaking area. Not so much stick, but it will accumulate in that area, and it should be visibly seen. Okay, so in some cases we will take ultraviolet light and a some glasses to help find the leak, but some leaks are inside the compartment. All right, if you can't see the leak externally, it's obviously internal. All right, so which means you may have to pull some panels. Now, there's only so much you can see outside. You may can see the plumbing lines, the compressor, the condenser, the accumulator, or the dryer, things like that. But as far as if you don't see any leaks out there outside externally, it's time to start looking inside. Things like the evaporator coil, which is housed into the dash. The front evaporator coil is in the dash. The rear, however, is naturally in the rear. And when he pulled this off, he found, yes, this is the rear evaporator coil. You can see where the dye is starting to build up in here. And this is likely the leaking area, okay? It's a pretty interesting setup, guys. You can see the little mold doors. They also have actuators on them. You know, you don't really want to forget where nothing is at. Here's the heater coil, guys. Look at that. Yes. Okay, this is the heater coil. Yes, there's a complete HVAC system in the rear of most minivans. You have to keep the compartment at a certain temperature also, okay? Not just the driver and the passenger. There's things going on in the rear of the compartment that these people want to stay cool or either warm also. So, yes, they have duct panels that run all the way up through here, and the AC or heat runs through there and everything. But we had to order a H-block. Look at that, guys. You can see underneath, you can see where it connects. Okay, so this H-block, H-valve, a lot of people have different names for it, sets in there via the housings. And of course, you're not going to see the evaporator because it's covered up by the housing. But unique, very unique. But this is an evaporator coil. This is a heater coil. Now, if we see cooling all over here, we will also recommend replacing the heater coil. But, guys, it's something about AC. People lose their mind when their AC not working. They don't care what it costs, what it's going to take. Now, guys, here's a hidden ground back here. I used to always notate where ground's at on certain cars because you never know when you have to track one down. So, as you can see, they hide in a ground outlet underneath the real AC housing. Wow, go figure. All right, guys, there go my whole 8-minute slot on Nosy 30. So I'm gonna wrap this up. That's all I have. It's a pretty interesting day. So more to come, guys. That's all I have. Stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all in the next video.